Well, let's see if this cake has got cool enough to go on this cake plate. We shall see. At least it's cool enough I can pick it up. I heard it slip that time, so maybe it turned loose. Oh goodness, look at this, look at this. Look what a pretty cake that turned out to be. And you know what the good thing is about this cake right now? Is that it is actually cool enough. Well, let's see what it looks like when we cut it. Very, very pretty cake. We're going to get a fork and we're going to sure give it a try. As I say, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I really hope you will subscribe to my channel and we'll keep looking at what all these things that I come up with to cook. Send me your comments. And I hope you enjoy this lemon pina colada cake. So let's taste it and see what it tastes like. Boy, it is moist. Very, very good. And again, Around the House with Kay and Tom. Come back to see me. Have a good day.